January 2024 and I'm excited today. Yes, this is my excited face. Lots of people have been saying, what's happening with the Tommy?
What's happening with the Tommy?
What's happening with the Tommy? The Tommy is on the ramp. So the next part of the Tommy Kaira M20b restoration continues today. Hopefully the aim for today is to get everything off, suspension, underneath, subframes, so that we can prepare the underside for repair and painting. Just to clarify, this isn't my car, this is John at Triton Motorsport's car. It's his project. I'm just documenting it for the video because I think it would be of interest to people to see what we're doing as far as the restoration is concerned. Restorations are what John at Triton loves doing. It's good to keep these cars on the road rather than breaking them up into bits, particularly when it's a rare car like the Tommy. It's in very good condition for its age. It's pretty much 30 years old now, so cult classic. It will be restored to an absolute pristine condition. as I said earlier, this isn't my car, this is John's car. So I'm just helping him work on it, publicising and documenting it for you guys. And hopefully you find it interesting and look forward to the finished result as much as we do. It's a rare car, and it's going to be restored to near perfect or slightly better than standard condition. I'm not going to go mad with power, it's going to be pretty standard, but it's going to be immaculate. Just to give you a rundown of what I've done, front end is stripped, subframes off, steering racks off, hubs, suspension, brakes, all that stripped back. Bodywork under here is actually in very good condition. This is all going to get cleaned up, brought back to metal and painted. A lot of the rear end is done, but there's still a good chunk to go. So hopefully I'll make some good progress on that tomorrow, and we'll get all the bits off to the powder coaters. So there she is, Tommy Kaira. The bits so far: brake discs are going to get thrown, roll bars are going to get powder coated, subframe's going to get powder coated, wishbones are going to get cleaned up, drive shafts are going to get cleaned up, suspension's going to be all new, and the hubs will be cleaned up and painted. Right, that's it for today. Calling it a day. It's Friday and it's time for home.